John from Spring has a question about noisy pipes.
Yeah, he heard you talking about noisy pipes the other day.
And now he has them.
And maybe
he didn't know before.
It's like when you buy a car, you start seeing that car everywhere, right? Now he hears noisy pipes. John writes, I have an incessant tap, tap, tap noise when the upstairs basins are turned on. It sounds exactly like a drip, 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 drip. You got it. But there's no evidence, he says, of a leak. And the noise stops if the water is left running for, like, say, 5 minutes or so, which never happens because it's just a basin where people wash their hands, he says. So John wonders if it could be from worn-out washers.
No.
Or seats.
No.
It's not either.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
That would be more of a tap, pop, 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 like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
it's like the old clicking clack radio show.
Yeah. That's
noises.
different.
Okay.
And you have a foghorn. That's your toilet. You got other things.
Foghorn,
This is that's right. This is nothing more than pipes coming to temperature. It sounds like a very rhythmical dripping noise. It's not. If you had a hole in your pipe, you would hear more noises, okay? It would be spurting water everywhere. You don't have a drip. The pipes are expanding or contracting, depending if this cold water, hot water. It makes that noise. When it finally reaches its temperature, it stops.
So
that's why that 5-minute lag time. It finally comes to a constant temperature.
He likes it. So there's nothing you can do about this when you're
there's nothing, no problem you have that's wrong. I want to say you hear it more with copper, so maybe you have copper pipes. I could be wrong, but usually that's the pipe that does it because mine does it at home, and I have copper.
Of course you do.
I do. That was before PEX.
Yeah.
And after galvanized.
There you go.
Yeah.
In the meanwhile, it's just tap, tap, tap.
Yeah.
Okay. Send your questions to us at HomeShowRadio.com. And you can see more of our answers over here on the side. And you want to see even more, subscribe to our channel, and we'll tell you when we post new ones.